Hello, today we're going to make a Year of the Snake paper cut. To make the Year of the Snake paper cut, first you need my template, which you can get from the link that I provide. You need a piece of red origami paper. You need some large scissors. You need some small scissors, that's very important, these small pointed scissors. You need a hole puncher, preferably one with a small hole punch. And you also need a stapler. All right, so if you have all these things, you can make your Year of the Snake paper cut. So step number one, you take your origami paper and you fold it in half like this. So you should have a nice rectangle. This rectangle should be the same size as my template. Now, you place a template on your folded piece of paper. Make sure that the snake's head is going outward from the fold of the origami paper. So it should be placed like this. All right, so once you have it placed like this, then you take your staplers and you're going to staple this template to the origami paper. Go through all the sheets like this, and you are going to make sure that you staple just the big black areas. Do not staple on any of the white areas of the template. And you want to secure this template to your folded origami paper. And like I said, do not staple on any white areas. Okay, so you have your origami paper stapled to the template. It should go like this all the way through. Next, you're going to take your hole punch and you're going to punch holes in all the small black areas inside, like the eye, the nose, in your inner areas like that. Okay, so go like this and punch in like that, punch in like that. You should have holes in all the inner black areas. Okay, these holes are to help you cut those inner black areas because you're going to take your small scissors, and using your small scissors, you can place it inside these little holes, and it makes it so much easier to cut these shapes. And from here, you're going to cut all these inner black shapes. Now, it's very important that you cut the inner shapes first. Do not cut the outer black shapes because that is what is holding your template to the paper, and you want that template to be secure to the paper. That's why small scissors are really recommended. Small, sharp, pointed scissors. The big scissors will be too clumsy for these smaller places. Do the outer pieces, the outer black pieces, the ones that touch the edge of the page last. And it's probably best to do the really delicate pieces. You see, like this piece with the teeth with your small scissors. After you do that, all the delicate shapes, you can take your big scissors and you can get the big shapes out. You can see in this Year of the Snake paper cut that I incorporated a lucky knot in the design of it. A lucky knot is a symbol in Chinese culture that symbolizes not only good luck, but peace, longevity, and love. All right, so when you cut all the black shapes, you should be left with this. You can discard the template, and then you open up your Year of the Snake paper cut. And there you have it. You can hang this on your door or your window, and it will bring you an extra lucky Year of the Snake.